Let's get into one super modern home and family. This is how a morning starts for the man of the family. Lots of useful appliances into making their life healthier and better. Moving on to the bathroom and morning skincare routine. Such cleaning gadgets are necessary for any house to own. Everything seems to be in order for this super organized morning. Time for vacuuming, and this goes even into the most impossible places. A very hard-working man making the most amazing environment for his family. Laundry done, and now on to making some delicious breakfast. Let's wake the babies up. Brushing the teeth is the first thing in the morning for this little bundle of joy. The father keeps on doing more chores to clean up the house before starting work. What's better than family time? Bet you would love to have all these appliances to your house. The little girl is off to school now. A few more chores to be done, and this is a day in the life of this family.